Hello guys, this is Muhammad Abbas from Pakistan. Welcome to my channel Learn English Grammar with Muhammad Abbas. Guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. So the topic is modal auxiliary verb. Guys, I have already explained 3 modal auxiliary verbs in previous videos. The link of those videos is given in the description. If you haven't watched those videos, you can watch those videos from the description. Is this clear, guys? So today I am going to explain another modal auxiliary verb, which is would. So in this video I am going to explain would. So let's come to the topic. So here we are with another modal auxiliary verb, which is would. Now what is would? If we say in Urdu, it means hoga. Is this clear? In Urdu it means hoga. So now what is would? Would is a modal auxiliary verb. Would is a modal auxiliary verb. We know that ये एक modal auxiliary verb है. Is this clear, guys? So see, what is the definition of it? How to use it and where to use it. हम इसको कैसे इस्तेमाल करते हैं और कहाँ इस्तेमाल करते हैं और इसकी क्या इस्तेमालात है, ठीक है? So see the first definition. It has been divided into 4 definitions. Is this clear, guys? So see the first definition. What is used to talk about imaginary situation? What is used to talk about imaginary situation? It means that it is used to talk about those situations which are impossible to be done. Is this clear? Impossible to be done, or we are just imagining, or we are just thinking about those situations. Would हम कौन सी हालत के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं? हम वो ऐसी हालात के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं जो हालात नामुमकिन हो. Is this clear, guys? So see the structure. All subjects plus would plus verb first form. पहली हालात, वर्ब की पहली हालात. So all subjects plus would plus verb first form plus rest of the sentence. Is this clear? So come to the example. After example you will come to know. It would be nice. It would be nice to buy a new car. What does it mean? This example means that I imagine that it is impossible for me. It is impossible for me to buy a new car, but I am just imagining. But I cannot buy a new car. I cannot buy a new car. I am not able to buy a new car, but I am just imagining. It would be nice to buy a new car. उर्दू में अगर हम इसको उर्दू में एक्सप्लेन करते हैं तो कैसे एक्सप्लेन करेंगे? ये वो हालात है जो हम ख्याली हालात कहा जाता है. इसको ख्याली हालात कहा जाता है. हम ख्याल कर सकते हैं लेकिन खरीद नहीं कर सकते. इट वुड बी नाइस टू बाय अ न्यू कार. मैं इस काबिल नहीं हूँ कि मैं न्यू कार ले लूँ, लेकिन मैं जस्ट इमेजिनिंग. आई एम जस्ट इमेजिनिंग. मैं सिर्फ ख्याल करता हूँ. इज दिस क्लियर, गाइस? See the second example. I am sick. मैं बीमार हूँ. Is this clear? I am sick. So another person tells me or says that take medicine. It would cure you. मैं बीमार हूँ. Another person tell me कोई और शख्स मुझे बोल रहा है take medicine. दवाई ले लो. It would cure you. इससे आपका सेहत बेहतर हो जाएगा. Is this clear, guys? So now come to the another step. So see the second step. Now what does it say? It says that would is also used to talk about future desire. Means to say that it is also used to talk about those desires which are happening in future. Desire means wish. Is this clear, guys? If in Urdu we say that ये कौन सी एक्शन के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है? ये फ्यूचर डिजायर के लिए, फ्यूचर ख्वाहिशात के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है. Is this clear? So see the example. After example you will come to know. He would buy a new home. Here it means hoga. If we say in Urdu, right? It means hoga. He would buy a new home. It is his desire. It is his desire to buy a new home. But in fact he is not able to buy a new home. But it is his desire. It is his wish. Is this clear? In Urdu if we say that वो चाहता है कि वो नया घर ले लेकिन वो नहीं ले सकता. Is this clear? So see the second example. She would make a hospital for poor people. She really wants to make a hospital for poor people. It is her desire. It is her wish. But unfortunately she is not that rich, or she is not able to make a hospital for poor. but she just wants, it is her desire or it is her wish. Is this clear? So here we are with the third step of order. At the beginning I said that it has been divided into 4 steps, but I'm sorry for that. It has been divided into 3 steps, not into 4 steps. So what is the third and last step of order? So see, would is also used to make polite request. It is also used to make a polite request, right? What does it mean? It means that whenever you want to talk with elders, or whenever you want to talk with your family members, and you want to show them respect, so then you have to make a request with word. Is this clear? With word. If we say in Urdu, ये किस लिए इस्तेमाल होता है word? ये इसलिए इस्तेमाल होता है कि कभी भी हम चाहते हैं कि हम बाअदब दरख्वास्त किसी के लिए बनाए और किसी से पूछे बाअदब. So then we have to use order. Is this clear? Order. We have to use word. So see how only you is used with word in question to make polite request. We can make only we can make polite request or question only with you. We can only use you with word. हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ you इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं word के साथ, और proverb जो है वो हम नहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकते. Is this clear? So only you is used with word in question to make polite request. Whenever you want to make a polite request with word, just go for you. We can use only you, not other subjects like I, we, they, he, she, it. Is this clear? See how example after example you will come to know. Would you show me your book? Would you show me your book? Here we have you. We cannot say that would I show you my book? Would he show me? Is this wrong? We can only use this pronoun, I mean you. Is this clear? Would you show me your book? हम would के साथ सिर्फ और सिर्फ you इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, और pronouns जो है हम वो नहीं इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. जब भी आप चाहते हैं कि would के साथ आप polite request बनाएं और करें, तो then go for would. Is this clear? Would you show me your book? Is this clear, guys? So guys, if you have any kind of question regarding this topic, you can ask me in comment box. I will be there to answer your questions. So guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it right now and press the bell icon so that you will get my more new videos as soon as possible. Thank you.